The printing of US, Euro, and every other currency is a complex multiple steps, security measures, and strict regulations to ensure the integrity and security of the currency. Here is a general overview of the process. Overall, the process of printing US currency is a highly secure and secretive operation that involves multiple layers of security and strict regulations to protect the integrity of the currency. Design and approval. The first step in the process is to create a new design for a bill or coin. The U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing and the U.S. Mint work with the Department of Treasury to create designs that incorporate security features and other elements to prevent counterfeiting. Once a design is approved, it moves on to the next step, plate making. The approved design is then turned into plates. For paper currency, the plates are made using a process called intaglio printing, which involves etching the design into a metal plate. For coins, the design is transferred onto a master die, which is used to make a working die that will be used to strike the coins. Printing. Once the plates or dies are ready, the printing process begins. Paper currency is printed on large sheets of special paper that is made from a blend of cotton and linen fibers. The printing is done using high-speed presses that apply ink to the paper using the plates created in Step 2. The ink used in printing is specially formulated to prevent counterfeiting. Cutting and inspection. After the ink is applied, the sheets of paper are cut into individual bills. The bills are then inspected by machines and by hand to ensure that they meet quality standards and that there are no defects or printing errors. Packaging and distribution. Once the bills have been inspected and approved, they are packaged into bundles and sent to the Federal Reserve Bank for distribution to other banks and financial institutions. As for the security and secrecy measures involved in the process, the U.S. government goes to great lengths to protect the integrity of the currency. EP and the Mint are highly secure facilities that are monitored 24/7 by armed guards, surveillance cameras, and other security measures. The people who work in these facilities undergo rigorous background checks and are subject to strict security protocols. In addition, the printing process itself incorporates a number of security features to prevent counterfeiting, including specialized inks, watermarks, security threads, and holograms. The details of these security features are kept confidential to prevent counterfeiters from reproducing them. Printing of U.S. currency involves the use of several different types of high-tech machines. Here are some of the key machines involved in the process. Intaglio printing presses. These presses are used to print the design of the currency onto the paper using plates made of metal. The plates are engraved with the design in reverse, and the ink is applied to the plates before being transferred onto the paper. Intaglio printing produces raised ink that can be felt by touch, giving the currency a distinct texture that is difficult to counterfeit. Plate making equipment. This equipment is used to create the plates that are used in the intaglio printing process. The plates are made from metal and are engraved with the design of the currency using a variety of specialized tools and techniques. Cutting machines. After the currency has been printed, it needs to be cut into individual bills. Cutting machines are used to trim the large sheets of currency into the correct size and shape for individual bills. Inspection machines. Once the currency has been printed and cut, it needs to be inspected to ensure that it meets quality standards and that there are no defects or printing errors. Inspection machines use a variety of sensors and imaging technologies to scan the currency for any irregularities. Packaging equipment. Finally, the currency is packaged into bundles for distribution to banks and financial institutions. Specialized equipment is used to count, stack, and wrap the bills in the correct denominations. All of these machines are highly specialized and incorporate advanced technologies to ensure the accuracy and quality of the currency. Additionally, the machines are carefully monitored and maintained to ensure that they are working properly and that the currency is being produced to the highest standards. There are countless other interesting processes that occur in factories across various industries. In addition to these examples, please subscribe for more educational, relaxed content.